Hello YouTube. This video may contain spoilers. It's hard to walk on these stepping stones holding this iPad mini. You can see there's our bikes. Me and my sister. You might want to know. Seriously, I got an idea. I'm able to do. As you can see, I'm walking around the yard. Let's check the newspaper, shall we? If you want to know, this is my new account. What, Mom?
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Where's coffee?
I don't know.
Honey, you can't be out there by yourself.
After I'm done checking the newspaper. The other day I learned I can. Guess what? This is a funny fact for today. I can only ride my bike down whole hills. Nope, nothing. And this was published on Sunday. This video started on Sunday and it was on Sunday. A few minutes after getting back home from church, I decided to make a video. Yes, old man. Yes, people who are watching. Go on and watch the whole thing. If you skip this, I will be very mad. Cause this is a tour. Cause this is a video, a nature video, random giant grass video, walking up hills, nature video, looking at my mom, looking at my nan's house, videos, whatever else I could think of to do. Did you hear that, YouTube? I think there's something over there. Jeez. Glob dang it. Hey, sis. And for spinniness and spinniness and spinniness and minus and whiteness, then even more whiteness and blackness and darkness and blah blah blah, then redness. I don't know how I managed to get this on there. But seriously. Intro of darkness and red. Red is like intro of dark. Intro of darkness and redness and whiteness. Peace out, YouTube.